keep going.
Throws it to his back teeth.
Get a good angle from here, Dave. Come back where I am. See him opening his gift there? Skeeter's opening his gift. He's biting the paper. Particularly empty.
As Weston watches.
See, now he wants to open the bag.
Aw, that is so good, Stevie!
Good job! That's a good job! What's that?
Isn't that funny? You ever had to go find somewhere like something
Treats?
That's usually what happens in the first few minutes.
Your butt! Ow, 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 ow,
Would have burned his bum.
Yeah.
How's that burning ass?
Oh, that would have burned his bum.
Be nice.
My present!
Be nice.
Weston!
Open
Weston! Mommy! Where's Mommy?
Mommy! There, Mommy!
Oh.
Good morning. Stevie, you almost had it.
Mom, Skeeter burned his butt on tea.
Almost.
But I'm alright.
Stevie, come. We had to wake him up, so we gave him a present to play with. He's almost caught it. He's opening it.
Yeah.
Guys, look at Stevie, come on. Stevie, open it. Come on. He's getting
Don't get
himself
distracted by
confused.
Mom. Oh.
Come on.
Weston, stop.
You almost caught it.
Weston. Weston.
Weston,
sit
come
back.
here. Come in. Look, Weston. Weston.
Yep.
Just eating the paper.
No,
he was ripping it, though.
it before.
Rip it, baby. Rip it open.
Listen.
He knows what's in there. Sit there, Dad.
Sit there. Sit there. Be a good boy.
Should have given him a toy.
No, it's better when it's the treats. They open it more if there's the treats.
He's not opening the treats. He's just eating the paper.
Look at it. What is in there? What is that?
Want me to make a pot of coffee?
That's what I was making right there.